Ho, 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 Merry Hackmas. Thanks for tuning in to day 20 of the Advent of Cyber 2023 Challenge. We're almost at the end, 4 days left after this. Today is purple. We're going to be looking at some DevSecOps. The last mission ended with a proclamation where it was said, or the tunnels are okay. I believe that was the last sentence. Are the tunnels or the pipelines safe? Well, I guess today we're going to be looking at those said pipelines. And with it being about DevSecOps, I'm pretty sure these pipelines are going to be CDCI pipelines or CI CD pipelines. All right. So one of the main reasons the Best Festival company acquired Antarctica was for their excellent automation. However, someone's tampered with the source code system and something weird is happening. It's suspected McCready has impersonated some accounts or teamed up with rogue frostlings. Who knows what will happen if a malicious user accessed the pipeline? In this task, you will explore the concept of poison pipeline execution in a GitLab CI/CD environment and learn how to protect against it. GitLab instance for Ordercraft automates everything from sending signals and processing services, building and updating software. However, someone's tampered with the configuration files and the logs show unusual behavior. Some suspect the frostlings have bypassed and gained access to the builder processes. You're going to learn about poison pipeline execution, understand how to secure CI/CD pipelines, get an intro to secure software development life cycles and DevSecOps, learn about CI/CD best practices. All right. GitLab is a platform that allows collaboration. It is a distributed version source control system. So what GitLab would look like, you can upload code to it, you can pull down code to it, and multiple people could be doing this at the same time, and you could collaborate with the code. And in doing so, once you upload things, you can cause it to trigger results of it being uploaded, such as security scanning, get it to run some other command on the system that causes a virtual machine to come up to test it, or even put it in full-blown production just out the gate. You will want to test it and stuff first, but there's some people who just push it straight to production with no testing. Not recommended, but it is a thing. CI/CD. The CI stands for continuous integration. That's where you're sharing the code, you're pushing the code, you're doing vulnerability scans, security tests, validating. That's integration. Deployment is where the part of this SDLC or software development lifecycle, where you are pushing things into production, doing sandbox, things like that. This is the scary part here, the deployment part. Integrating security and CI/CD ensures consistency and threat reduction. That's what DevSecOps aims to achieve. Everything we've seen is cultural and technical approach that aims to improve collaboration, automation, and CI/CD. It's what we call a developer engineer or DevOps for short. I mean, developer operations. DevSecOps was born from DevOps and is an extension specializing in security for DevOps. PPE, poison pipeline execution. It takes advantage of the trust boundaries established within the supply chain, which is common. There's trust boundaries. There's automation everywhere, and you tend to trust things. Trust that things will work. That's why you have automation. Um, attacker has access to the version control system, can manipulate the build process by injecting malicious code. Um, this is where the poison pipelines come because it's crucial to have effective, secure safeguards and rails against malicious code. So the Frostlings have evaded the CI/CD pipeline and have found a way to poison it, orchestrating the Advent calendar build process. Your mission as a DevSecOps engineer is to uncover and mitigate the attack. Make sure the calendar doesn't suffer from any malicious alterations. So start the attack box and browse to the URL of the VM that you start. So you need to start the machine and you need to start the attack box at the top. You need to do both. After logging in, you'll see a warning that specifies, this is if you're doing the VPN connection. Upon logging in, you should see this. I did not see this. Why did I not see that? Okay, that was weird. Oh, it's HTTP, not HTTPS. Try hack me! Exclamation point. Don't save it. Open up this project. If we look in the repository, we'll see it uses Apache. Update Frostlino. Okay. Configuration file. If the commit branch is main, it pushes it to the test stage. Okay. So it looks like it's been stuck in the testing phase for a couple weeks. So we're gonna check for merge requests. We're gonna see if there's any merge requests. And it looks like we are gonna see merge requests here by Frostlino. So definitely gave Frostlino admin for a couple hours. Def delete. Why you do that? Why you give the man that then? All right. So it wants us to check the job and look at the logs. So jobs. Look at one of the tests. Oh, that's what it wants us to do next. Looks like it wants us to actually pull up the face website, which I guess we need the logs to see where. So I'm assuming this is probably like a Docker container somewhere. And there we go. This is where 9081. So we got a 10, 10, 90, 116, 9081. Frostling's rule. I'm pretty sure we probably could answer a question or two so far. So let's just see what our question status looks like. Um, the developer responsible for the merge changes. Um, that was deft lead. Oh, what's that? Frostlino. Eh, all right. We'll come back to that one. What server is it running on? So these are just in the test environment. They left Frostlino's rule. We know that. Frostling's rule. Frostling's rule. Right. The server AOC 20. AOC 20. All right. So there's three questions we still have to figure out. So the handler for the developer and some other things, but let's keep following back through here. So we got here the test passed. The incident. This is the information that was done. You could look at the commit history. we can we could go into the repository here. Pull up the YAML, edit in the pipeline editor. So, all right. So we need to find the commits. We need to find the commits. And under the commits, we need to find the last change made by Delph lead to that file. So we need this. Oh no, this doesn't look a ton different. All right, so we're gonna copy the file contents. Go back into the repository. Here. All right. So we're going to. Let me scroll up. There we go. Uh-uh. Did I copy it right? Lead page. We want the one by. Okay, come on. I think it's a little laggy. Okay, it is a lot laggy. Come on. Okay, we want that. And we're going to go back to the repository. We'll edit in pipeline editor. And, I thought I copied it. Really? Really? Well, that's copy the file contents. I'm pretty sure I copied and pasted it too. Uh, let's see if it shows up in my clipboard. Okay, it's in my clipboard. Yeah. pipeline editor. Okay, it's in my clipboard. So, okay, it just wouldn't let me Command V to paste it for some reason. All right, so now we got it in clipboard. To click commit. All right, we commit. All right, it's valid. Everything should go back to normal. Looks like that's still defaced. So we need to prevent unauthorized access. So we're gonna force protected branches. So we're gonna go to the repository settings. I thought we committed, right? That's the problem. They were committed to the wrong branch. That's what we just did. You gotta commit to the right branch. Uh, paste. Commit. All right, my changes have been committed. Let's see if it's still defaced. It looks like it is, but that doesn't mean my automation isn't. The 80. Okay. So that's what the page should look like. Yeah. So we did fix it. It's probably just holding on to cached information. Probably. to the settings and repository. And let's I don't know. I don't like these instructions. I don't think they're detailed enough. And to protect, navigate to the repository settings. Repository. Mm, I've used Gitlab, but I've never used that feature before. So I'm kind of just guessing here. And I'm about to. I'm not sure what they're talking about. Let's open this. Mm, Settings repository on the left sidebar. Select search or go to. Mm, Protected branches. What's that crap? Where's that? This is account stuff. We want repo level stuff. Repository. It says it's fully protected. That's the default branch. Not really seeing a page that matches what they're talking about. Mm. Settings, repository, protected branches. There we go. Mm, oh, uh, that's what they want. Mm, that's it. So the one responsible was Delph lead. Delph lead. Oh, the handle. Oh, maybe it wants the handle of the frosting, though. Bad SecOps. Bad SecOps. Okay. What server is the malicious? What server? So I'm guessing there's a server name somewhere. This one should be located first. What's the original commit ID? This here. Whoa. Whoa there. Uh, that doesn't make sense. Mm, commits. The very first commit. Okay. Eh, maybe that's the one they want. It's not the original commit, but uh, no. What is the commit ID? The original code. Here's the original commit ID. 0DD0182D. I think I misunderstood the question here. Um, the server. They're not looking for like a name or an IP of a server. They want like the type of server, like Nginx or Apache. Uh, Whatever. I don't like the way that question's worded. Anyway, um, what's the commit ID of the original code? This is the one. This is the one I get this one. So I guess they wanted the last one before the changes was made by Frostlino. Maybe this. 6B7 407. Ah, all right. I did like that question either. Because the commit ID for the original code. Yeah, I don't like that question. Because I probably would have like down here as the original like commit. I mean, I guess we could. Let's see what this code was. See, this is even code for the site. This is us updating the build rules in the YAML. Okay. Now something like this added. Now this is code for the site. This would make more sense as being the commit ID for the original code. Well, this here. Anyway, it's a good lesson. I just don't like the end questions. The questions at the end I think are trash. Anyway, I'm not gonna beat that horse. I think that's it. Day number 20. I think 20. The advent of cybersecurity challenge. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for your support. I'd like for you to leave comments, share any feedback or anything I can do to improve to provide more benefit or value to you. Thanks. You have a great day.